तुमच्या भविष्याच्या दृष्टिकोनातून अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा अशा स्वरूपाचा कार्यक्रम आयोजित केलेला आहे। कारण आपण शिक्षण घेतो, चांगल्या मार्गाने उत्तीर्ण होतो, पहिल्या वर्गामधून दुसऱ्या वर्गात पुढे जातो आणि कधीतरी एक वेळ अशी येते की आपल्या मनालाच प्रश्न पडतो की आता पुढे काय। आणि ती स्टेज आता तुमची जवळ आलेली आहे। कारण तुम्ही सर्वजण आता सेकंड इयर थर्ड इयरचे विद्यार्थी आहात आणि याच्या पुढे काय या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर देण्यासाठी मुद्दाम होऊन आजच्या पाहुण्यांना आपण या ठिकाणी पाचारण केलेलं आहे की आपण लातूर सारख्या खरं म्हणजे ग्रामीण भागामध्येच आपण या ठिकाणी शिक्षण घेत आलेलो आहोत। आपला आजूबाजूचा परिसर हा ग्रामीणच आहे आणि यामुळे आपल्याला बऱ्याचशा गोष्टीचं आकलन हे अजूनही झालेलं नसतं की पुढे काय, हे क्षेत्र काय आहे, त्याचा विस्तार कुठपर्यंत झालेला आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये आपण पुढे कुठे जाऊ शकतो याची तितकीशी कल्पना आपल्याला नसते। आणि ही कल्पना यावी म्हणूनच आजच्या पाहुण्यांना आपण या ठिकाणी बोलावलेलं आहे। तर पाहुण्यांना परिचय करून देत असताना प्रधान मॅडमनी बरंच विभागाच्या बाबतीमध्ये माहिती सांगितलेली आहे। त्याच्यापेक्षा थोडीशी विस्तृत अशा स्वरूपाची माहिती ही महाविद्यालयाच्या बाबतीमध्ये देखील त्यांना सांगणं हे माझं कर्तव्य समजतो। आता सांगितल्याप्रमाणे या महाविद्यालयाची स्थापना 1970 साली झालेली आहे। शिवछत्रपती शिक्षण संस्था ही 1968
In those days, in 1970s, this was the academic reforms in the education, that too in higher education. So I am very much proud to be here. Basic agenda for today is I will be giving you what are those opportunities in the ICT sector. When I say ICT, it means information and communication technologies. What are the information and communication technologies? Radio can give you the information, so radio can be a part of information and communication technology. But information and communication devices, the device which communicate to you, will give you some information, is the information and communication device. So radio can be a part of it, television can be a part of it, your VCR, DVD, doctorate in telecom technology and then PhD engineering, recipient of 2-3 awards. So I worked with Abdul Kalam Sahab on this concept called PURA, providing urban opportunities to rural area, and we got a funding of 20 lakhs of rupees from Ministry of HR. What we did, PURA stands for providing urban opportunities to rural area. जे काय चांगलं अर्बन मध्ये आहे ते रुरल मध्ये म्हणजे ग्रामीण भागामध्ये आणायचं आणि शेतकऱ्यांना मोबाईलच्या माध्यमातून शिक्षण, मोबाईलच्या माध्यमातून आरोग्य विषयक माहिती, मोबाईलच्या माध्यमातून बाजारभाव, हे पॉसिबल आहे का? येस, दॅट इज पॉसिबल. मी अँड आवर स्टुडंट्स वी डिड अ प्रोजेक्ट. वी अडॉप्टेड 2 regions, Vidarbha and Marathwada. In Marathwada we identified Latur as a district. We identified 12 villages around the Latur. I worked with them. मी त्या शेतकऱ्यांशी बोललो, त्यांच्या अडचणी समजून घेतल्या आणि we came up with one device called SwingTech. तो डिव्हाइस मी आज तुम्हाला इथे दाखवायला आणलेला आहे. That is a 100% product of our team and our efforts, myself and my students. ते आम्ही शेतकऱ्यांना दिलं आणि शेतकऱ्यांच्या ज्या काय शिक्षण विषयक समस्या होत्या त्या सोडवल्या. हे ते रामेश्वर भागातलं एक गाव आणि जिथे आम्ही हे करत असताना I got a guidance from Vijay Goetkar. His concept is direct to home. So I took a guidance. जेव्हा हा डिव्हाइस डेव्हलप केला तेव्हा त्यांच्या माध्यमातून हे घेतलं. मी अडवाणी साहेबांना भेटलो, त्यांना हे सगळं समजावून सांगितलं. राजेश टोपे जे आपल्या मराठवाड्यातले आहेत आणि आता सध्या शिक्षण मंत्री आहेत, त्यांनी सुद्धा ही स्कीम पूर्ण महाराष्ट्रात राबवण्याविषयी सुचवलं. हे सगळं करत असताना आय ऑल्सो ट्राईड टू गेट द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट टेक्नॉलॉजी फ्रॉम अब्रॉड टू इंडिया अँड दॅट पर्टिक्युलरली फॉर रुरल. So I traveled across globe. I visited Europe twice, thrice, UK, USA, Switzerland, Netherlands, Holland. आणि जेव्हा मी बघितलं की तिथला शेतकरी किती सधन, किती समृद्ध आणि काय टेक्नॉलॉजीचा वापर तिथला शेतकरी करतो. Based on that, whatever the little work we did under the guidance of His Excellency Abdul Kalam Sahab, so that we did. Now here is a quiz. So I want your attraction. Chocolates are ready? Them. तुम्ही तुम्हाला एक स्लोगन सांगणार आहे आता. तुम्ही सगळेजण टीव्ही बघता, तुम्ही सगळेजण पेपर वाचता. ते स्लोगन जे करेक्ट असेल त्याचं जर तुम्ही नाव सांगितलं तर मी तुम्हाला पॉवर ऑफ सिम्प्लिसिटी. See, you are all the students of computer science. So who said power of simplicity? Answer is Tally. What is Tally? The Tally is a company which is into the financial softwares. आज जितके businesses आहेत, जितके दुकानदार आहेत, जितक्या कंपन्या आहेत, ते काय सॉफ्टवेअर वापरतात? They use Tally. You know, Tally is a software. Tally is hiring the students in a great number. They want you should be specialized in C, C++, in Java. If you have that quality, the Tally will hire you. The package, highest package is 8.5 lakhs. Kiti? Tally is recruiting across Maharashtra. A Bangalore-based company into the financial softwares. Connecting India. Just put your hand. Connecting India. You know the slogan? Yes. Correct answer. BSNL. What is the long form of BSNL? Can you come and take this, please? What is the name? Good. पुण्यामध्ये BSNL चा लॉंग फॉर्म सांगतात भीतर से नहीं लगता. किती जणांजवळ मोबाईल आहे? तुमचे मोबाईल चालतात का घरामध्ये? एंडलेस पॉसिबिलिटीज. कोणाचं स्लोगन आहे? GTL, Global Telesystem Limited. It's a worldwide company. 172 देशांमध्ये त्यांच्या शाखा आहेत. They are into the software, they are into the telecommunication, they are into the antennas. तुम्ही जे प्रत्येक घरावर जे अँटेना पाहतात मोबाईलचे, आयडिया, एअरटेल, those all are antennas. The tower infrastructure is by GTL, and to control those software people, they deal in numbers. It's a network management software. So, the founder of this GTL infrastructure is Mr. Mangesh Tirodkar. He's a person, and it's 8,600 millennial. That is the investment and turnover of this. Welcome to the human network. Yes. Good. Very good. Round of applause for him. Cisco is the world largest company into the security softwares, into the networking. As you name the Tata, you name any company, they are using the product of Cisco only. And there is a question always asked, symbol. Do you know the symbol of Cisco? Anybody know the Cisco symbol? So do you have any tie-up with Cisco, madam, Pradhan madam? But I request you, the Cisco, they have a local academy. If you can write to them, they will set up their lab. Free of cost, they will invest 10 lakhs rupees in this college, such a high reputed college. Cisco, basically 3 lines are there, 1, 2, 3. I will show you sometime the symbol and this thing. Connecting people, just put your hand.
Nokia.
Connecting people, put your hand. Your hand. Who else? Yes? Nokia. One chocolate for her. What is her name? Good, good, very good. So what is Nokia? Nokia is the mobile handset manufacturing company. एका काळामध्ये Nokia was enjoying the highest share of 80% in handset manufacturing. They were Raja.
पूर्ण जगामध्ये नोकियाचं राज्य. But what happened? Then competition came from BlackBerry, Samsung, LG, and Nokia 80% to 18%, 18%. What is the market share of Nokia? Is 18%, 18. पण या सगळ्यांमध्ये भारत कुठे आहे? How much manufacturer they are producing label called made in India? सगळं made in China, made in Hong Kong, made in Taiwan. Nobody is manufacturing any machinery of information and communication technology in India. The Indian handset manufacturer, the market share is only 14%, 1/4, and in that Micromax is highest of 4.2%. What is the share of Indian brand? 4.2% Micromax. 2.8% Lava, 0.8% Carbon, Max 1.8%, Videocon 0.8%. Nobody is manufacturing in India. And then Government of India said, Abdul Kalamच्या काळामध्ये, they said if you want to sell your product in India, you must manufacture in India. So now Nokia started their plant in Chennai. LG, the handset of LG is getting manufactured in Pune, that too in Ranjangaon. If time permits, you must visit that industry. How the mobile get manufactured. आणि किती प्राइस ला मोबाईल बनतो एक? If you see the basic handset only for voice and text, जे बोलणं आणि SMS, one handset cost at 178 rupees. How much? That is the cost of one basic mobile. And Reliance in 2005 came up with the handset of 750 rupees. तुमच्यापैकी जे सिनियर असतील, तुमच्या आई वडिलांकडे किंवा मोठ्या भावाकडे कदाचित असेल, पण CDMA, you cannot put the card of Idea, Airtel, Aircel, BSNL. Only you can use Reliance. But the handset cost 750 and it made a revolution. प्रत्येक ग्रामीण भागामध्ये हा Reliance चा फोन चालला. पण आता पब्लिकनी नोकियाला नो किया. So now Nokia is no more. BlackBerry, Apple, Sony Ericsson, and all those people came into the picture. Now it's time to move on. Whose slogan is this? Good. One hand. Yes.
Fast track.
Pardon?
Fast track.
Right. Anybody else? It's time to move on. तुम्ही सध्या जे तुम्ही टीव्हीवर पाहता रोज तेच विचारताय, नथिंग एल्स. Aircel newly entered as a service provider. Service provider means how many service providers? There are at least 20 service providers. Service provider म्हणजे तुम्ही मोबाईल घेतल्यानंतर ज्या कंपनीचं कार्ड त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही सिम कार्ड टाकता ते म्हणजे सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर. आयडिया, BSNL, एअरटेल, एअरसेल, टाटा डोकोमो, टाटा इंडिकॉम, व्हिडिओकॉन, लूम, BPL आदि होतं. Those all are service provider. So Aircel is a service provider, but most popular in South India. Recently they entered into this. Make the most of now. Whose slogan is this? Vodafone. How many people you have a handset of Vodafone? 1, 2, 3, good. Applying thoughts. Just put your hand. Applying thoughts. Only one hand. I will come to you. Anybody from student? One. Yes?
Idea.
Nine. Idea.
Wipro sir, Wipro.
Wipro. Give him a. It's a Wipro. Aziz Premji started with the Dalta. है ना? जुन्या काळी Dalta म्हणून एक. Now they are the world largest company in IT services, in software. in telecommunication, in social security. Now what is the world ICT scenario? GSM, GPRS, age, UMTS, HSPA, 2G, 3G, 4G. I will tell you what is the meaning of 1G, 2G, 3G. G stands for generation. 1G means all the wired phone, they are the part of first generation. Wired म्हणजे ते जुन्या काळचे डायल करून जे आपण फोन करत होतो, जे काय वायर टू वायर नेटवर्क असायचं, इथून एक्सचेंज मधनं त्या ठिकाणी, that is all the first generation network. What is 2G? Wired without wire, म्हणजे wireless, that was 2G. The instrument which can be used for voice and text, बोलणे आणि SMS करणे, that is 2G. And what was 3G? Third component added into 2G, video, that is voice, text and video, 3G. 3G means three things you will be getting at a time. You can talk, you can watch, you can write. So that is 3G. And what is 4G? 4G is the fourth dimension added into it, and that is nothing but the time. Voice, text, video, and whatever happening there. इथे क्रिकेट मॅच चाललेली आहे वानखेडे स्टेडियमवर किंवा आता ऑस्ट्रेलिया सोबत आपण हरतोय आणि इथे या क्षणी तुम्ही बघताय. That is fourth component, that is time, that is 4G, the speed. Real time broadcasting on your mobile is a 4G. That requires a huge network. So earlier it started with GSM, and as a student of ICT, computer science, you must know what is the long form of GMS, GSM, GPRS, age, and recent the technology that everybody talked of is LTE, long term evolution. आता जी technology is there, BlackBerry, I don't know how many people you have a BlackBerry, but BlackBerry is the recent one, and more advanced than BlackBerry is LTE. तुमच्या प्रत्येकाच्या मोबाईलवर काहीतरी GSM, GPRS, एज असं लिहून येत असेल. You must know the long form of it. That is very very important from your interview point of view. They will ask you the question, what is GSM, what is GPRS. By the way, what is the long form of SIM? तुम्ही प्रत्येक जण SIM वापरता. I will ask you the long form of SIM. Put your hand, do not count. रोजच्या वापरातला शब्द आहे. मी हे SIM बदललं, हे SIM टाकलं. What is the long form of SIM? One hand is there. Yes?
Subscribers mobile identity.
What is the long form? Yes, SIM.
Model.
Model. D. What is the long form of STD? आपण म्हणतो STD, ISD. What is the long form of STD? Do not know. Very simple. आपण सगळेजण शब्द वापरतो. मी आज STD सॉल्व केला. Just put your hand. Do not know. Yes?
Subscriber Trump died.
Unlike chocolate. Good. SIM. You must know SIM. You are a technical student. You are a science student. 3G implementation. 3G implementation, we are at least 10 years behind by all those countries. 3G implementation happened in South Korea in 2000. In Japan 2001, Europe 2003, China 2008. But China entered straightway with the 3G networks. If 1G होतं पण 2G च्या भानगडीतच पडले होते. And as China is utilizing 4.5G and more than that, 5G the Chinese are using.